I lost a lot of my hair from radiation treatment when I had cancer.
So the CNC was definitely the option for Donna in her hair loss situation. The thing is with the CNC, that because it's made differently, because of the 3D technology, because of the matching of the scalp and how flush it sits, and the natural hair that matches the client's own existing hair, it gives the client so much more freedom to be able to have different styling options, be able to get their hair blown out.
Just very natural. It's like my own hair. I have two, and I've been really happy with both of them. One's a little bit shorter and has a different color to it, and this one I decided not to color, and I left it a little bit longer.
The salon here in Red Bank is we're focusing on trichological treatments as well as thinning hair and the CNC replacement, of course, all the while still inviting regular hair clients to come in as well, because anybody can benefit from trichological treatment. We offer the CR Lab, the trichological line here, which is the trichological protocol where we maintain the pH and the health of the scalps, whether it's an oily scalp, a dry scalp, or someone that is losing their hair and would like to retain the hair that they have currently to provide the best possible environment for hair growth. Today Donna came in for a blowout styling and also a restructuring treatment on the CNC, the hair of the CNC.
They steam my scalp, and I get massages, and then they wash the piece. Just feels good to be out open where I'm not hiding, from other people.
Our CNC clients that we currently have from our wall location are welcome to come as well, because there is a private area that they can be serviced. It's important because a lot of people, they require the privacy when they are having their service done, because some people, they don't want to have their hair taken off in front of other people. Now she can do that in the Creative Hair Lab in Red Bank. She can do it at our Transitions location in Wall Township. It's important for people to understand the freedom that they have with the CNC to be able to style their hair anyway, because it's something so different, and it just provides them with such a freedom and more choices and styling options than they would have had with something else.
I pin it up, put it in a ponytail. The hair could be braided, it could be an updo. I could leave it curly if I want to. I wanted to be sure that the person, if I did do this, that there would be somebody capable of handling, people of color, their hair. I felt just as comfortable coming here as I did my previous salon that focused mainly on people of color hair.
When somebody comes in that has really textured hair, or someone that has very silky hair, it doesn't matter.
I'd recommend it to anybody that's losing or thinning hair, or who has total hair loss.